There's a place in Pakistan where an earthquake was so violent that it created a lake. Or maybe it didn't. It all depends on how much of the story you choose to believe. It's called the Earthquake Lake of Awaran, and it's not actually called that. That's just what it's often called in retellings and local lore, even though the scientific record doesn't confirm a permanent lake ever formed there. Here's the story. On the 24th of September 2013, a massive magnitude 7.7 earthquake struck the Awaran district in Balochistan, Pakistan. The quake leveled entire villages of mud brick houses and left thousands homeless. But beyond the destruction, people remember strange natural phenomena that followed. In the days after the quake, survivors whispered of the land itself reshaping. Some claimed that in the barren hills around Awaran, a depression had suddenly filled with water, a newborn lake born from the quake's violent shaking. Others said streams that had been dry for years were now gushing again, as if underground springs had been forced upward. To villagers living in one of the driest, harshest parts of Pakistan, this sudden water was both a blessing and a mystery. At the same time, hundreds of kilometers away near Gwadar, fishermen saw something else astonishing, an island rising from the sea. Newspapers worldwide reported on this muddy, gas-spewing landmass that the locals nicknamed Zalzalako or Earthquake Mountain. To many, both the island and the whispered lake in Awaran seemed like signs that the earth was alive, reshaping itself before their eyes. Now, legend says that in Awaran, a lake appeared after the earthquake. It shimmered eerily where no water had been before. Some say it soon vanished, swallowed back into the thirsty earth. Others claim it still exists, hidden in the mountains. But here's the thing, geologists recorded the rise of Zalzalako, but no official geological survey confirms a lasting lake in Awaran itself. It may have been temporary flooding, a burst spring, or simply the imagination of traumatized survivors weaving meaning into chaos. Still, why does the tale endure? For the people of Awaran, the idea of an earthquake lake became more than geology. It became a symbol of how disaster and wonder are often intertwined. Out of ruin, something new and mysterious seemed to be created. Maybe it was a real lake, maybe it wasn't. But this is a story that reminds us the earth can be both destructive and creative, terrifying and beautiful, and that sometimes in the face of disaster, we long for a little bit of magic. That's 1 minute. See you next time.